Next on KennaMarxVlogs.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love. Hey, I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you like. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me. You can't forgive me, gave you the time of your life.
Hi guys. So
Emma needs to eat.
that's where we're at.
I just want lunch and
That's
dinner.
where our conversation is. And I'm like, why am I not vlogging? Because like we need to vlog. We're going on our way to the beach and we're getting food. Actually, I'm getting food. Sherry's getting food. She doesn't eat.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I have that every day
She
for
eats
lunch.
peanut butter and jelly and chips every day.
That's
for lunch.
disgusting.
No, that's really good.
Disgusting.
Healthy. That is. It's good.
You said healthy.
Just kidding, that's not
Can't
healthy.
relate.
A lot of sugar, jelly. And
Every
chips.
time I talk about salad, you always talk about how my white lettuce is not nutritious.
I love
white lettuce.
iceberg.
Iceberg?
It's still, it's no nutrients, but it's still good
It's
for you.
better.
It's
It's better than what I usually
than a French
eat.
fry.
Yeah,
All right.
true.
What do you usually
eat
have
both.
for dinner?
Me, whatever, really, like, just sometimes salad, sometimes pasta, sometimes Wayne will cook something fancy.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll just
So you
make
always
soup.
eat lunch and dinner?
Yeah. Well, not when on the
Well, I don't
weekends or
eat-
when I don't have, not in summer, I don't eat lunch.
This is my
Do you
food
eat
routine.
breakfast?
No.
Why?
My food routine? Yes, no,
Kenna
maybe
skips
so.
breakfast now too.
Yes, no, maybe so.
I'm just saying you skip breakfast also now.
Okay, so this is my routine. Welcome. So, oh my god, I'm such a freak. Welcome. So I go to school at 7:40. I don't eat breakfast before, and then I go that whole length of time until 2:22.
You might eat nuts.
I might eat nuts. I might eat like whatever they're serving. I might like it. I don't know. You never know. You can hit it in the morning. I don't know where that came from.
Oh my god.
Who can hit it in the morning?
Oh, again.
Why? I don't like this.
You don't want to
I
edit
don't like
that?
this.
You're
I
gonna
don't like
edit
this.
that? Are you gonna keep that in there or are you gonna edit that?
I don't know. So
Nobody needs to be hitting
then
it in the
2:22.
morning.
I come home. I eat something. Damn it, Sherry. Damn it, Emma. That's a new thing. Damn it, Emma. So I always say, damn it, Sherry.
She always says, damn it, Sherry.
So yeah, then I eat, and then I have a second dinner, which is usually ice cream. Boom. That's my
Not
schedule.
always.
Not always.
Yeah,
I've
you
had
know, milkshake.
I've laid off.
Chocolate milkshake.
I've
and
laid
fries.
off. Like I don't eat ice cream as much.
What?
Except for last night.
No, it's milkshakes now.
Yeah.
That is ice cream.
Milkshakes is pretty
Milkshakes are ice cream.
good. I love
like
milkshakes.
that. Wait, what's the words? Like, what's next? What's that? What's up? I just want children's
I don't get it.
I love how you already knew what I was about to say. What was it?
I didn't. I'm so like old. I don't know the new.
Dude, tell me why
rap.
me and Kaylee, you wouldn't understand when we're talking. Like, we don't even like use actual words. We use key words and we know what we're like, yeah. Eggs, yeah. We're like retarded.
Oh, that's what me and my friend, like, Lexi do.
Coach, oh my gosh, I'm so not up to date on my YouTube videos to watch. Like, Adeline Morin has 3 Coachella days and I haven't even watched them. Did you see what Danny posted on his story?
Who?
Danny?
Aww.
So small.
What are you watching?
Yo! Run up, Cowboy! Woo! He did not acknowledge me very well.
Now we're in the Shuby traffic.
I did not love that. He did not acknowledge me. I'm like such a crackhead.
Got a small.
Like it's bad. I did not sleep all night last night, and I'm like awake. No, I'm like I feel fine. And it's like 80 degrees, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt and leggings with my bra underneath and a bathing suit bottom because we're going to the beach.
I'm sweating.
And that's just what I'm wearing. She has shorts on, and I'm like, I'm really not even that hot. I'm like a whole crackhead over here. Oh my god. All over my sweatshirt. I don't even care. We're at the beach. And it's freaking freezing.
It's not that cold.
I don't know why Sherry thought that it was gonna be nice out because she's like part retarded. But I'm vlogging on my phone because it's like sandy. And yeah, I'm definitely not going in the water because it's like nipple freaking cold out here.
I'm going in. You're sleeping.
Yeah, because she's a crackhead. I'm staying in my sweatshirt. Watch me. There's no even sun to tan. Like, sometimes it'll be cold and there's, like, sun. But, like, she's cloudy.
It should be cloudy. No tanning today.
Yeah, not today, sir. I freaking thought. I'm just gonna, damn. I should have brought my, oh.
Should I go in?
Sure, go.
I'm tempted.
Go, I want to video it.
Go in.
Guys are hiking up their shorts. What are they doing? I'm so scared. Look at this one. His shorts are all the way up his ass.
They're gonna run in the water.
They're messing themselves
And the one
up.
guy just took a picture of the other guy to show his muscles.
What muscles?
I don't know, man. That's what I heard.
Where's he hiding them? Emma went to go get her boy. I don't know where they are. The moment you know you effed off, they ran in the water.
They didn't go all the way in though.
I know, but they still mess themselves. My guy, what am I? Whoa! Oh my god, I forgot. Planet Fitness, 2 thumbs up. Say hi to.
Hi.
Hey.
Are you sending that song? Yes.
Make a move, Kenna.
Make it move, honey. Make a move, honey. Danny boy. He's so small. And I don't know why. Grow it out, honey. Grow it out.
You love him.
Grow.
You're gonna marry him one day.
Your mom's gonna
He's gonna be my son-in-law.
Do you want to marry?
While you've had no sleep for like 48 hours, you should tell him the truth, like truth serum. And Emma should send it to him. You should let Emma send it to him and be like, this is what your girl feels. Your girl likes you.
Look at my nose. Look at how cute it is.
Oh, don't do that.
Tell you like him.
Don't do that.